Lecture number 22. Action of KMNO4 on the very first oxalic acid. So I have explained each and every reaction. Textbook में ना वो one line में दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे you can understand कि वो reaction कैसे होता है, and then we have written the net reaction, so you will be able to understand the reactions. The very first we start with oxalic acid. Now KMNO4 when reacted with sulfuric acid, what does it form? Metal sulfate, K2SO4, MnSO4, water, nascent oxygen atoms. Balance the equation, it would be 5. When those react with the nascent oxygen, oxalic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water. अभी यहाँ पे we get one nascent oxygen atom, hence we multiply the equation, entire equation by 5. And then we write the net reaction. So no need to by heart the equation. It is this how we get the equation. And then we write the reaction in the ionic form. You will get this. Ionic form में कैसे लिखने का you know. It is MnO4 plus oxalic acid giving Mn2 plus and CO2 and water. Then उसके बाद redox reaction से you need to balance the equations. Like acidic medium में क्या होता है, basic medium में क्या होता है. It's according to that. Now, ferrous ammonium sulfate, more salt. It is FeSO4 ammonium sulfate with 6 water molecules. The first reaction is the same, MnO4 reacting with sulfuric acid, you get this. Now that reacts with ferrous sulfate and the nascent oxygen which is converted to Fe2SO4 thrice and water, same thing. यहाँ पे one nascent oxygen atom है, तो we multiply the entire equation by 5, cancel करके we get the net equation, and then the same way we have written the ionic reaction for the same. Textbook में it is a one line reaction, but it is better explained in this way so you can understand the reaction. Next, when it is reacting with H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, so the first reaction again remains the same everywhere. Next reaction में peroxide reacting with the nascent oxygen, water and oxygen gas is evolved. Same, multiply the equation by 5, give the net reaction, you will get the answer. Okay, the next question, what is the action of KMNO4 on hydrogen sulfide? Again the first reaction remains same, so it is a more simple way you can remember the reaction. And then H2S will be reacting with the nascent oxygen converted to water and 5 sulfur atoms, and then you write the net equation, you get this reaction. Reaction textbook में एक ही line वो last वाला लिखा है, but this is how, and this is a more simple way that you can remember the reaction. Now the next reactions we proceed in the next lecture.